What should I do if the repaired area is not level after compaction? If a patched area remains low or high after compaction, first assess the depth and surrounding grade with a straight edge or a long board laid across the patch and the adjacent surface to locate high spots and hollows. For low areas, add small increments of the same patch material rather than dumping a large amount at once. Compacting each thin lift thoroughly with a plate compactor or hand tamper until the surface matches the surrounding grade. For high spots, remove the excess material with a shovel or edge cutter. Then recompact the remaining patch and feather the edges to blend into the existing surface. Always check compaction by tapping or running the compactor over a small test area and watching for rebound or settling. If the material rebounds, it needs tighter lifts and more compaction energy. Keep the patch slightly proud by a hair to allow for final settling, but avoid leaving it noticeably raised, which creates a trip hazard. If water pooling is a concern, slope the patch away from the low spot by building a gentle grade of about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch per foot toward the intended drainage path. 3 common issues are adding too much material at once, compacting unevenly, and not matching material types. When too much material is placed in a single lift, it will not compact uniformly, so remove the excess and rebuild in thin layers to achieve density. Uneven compaction usually comes from inconsistent equipment passes or insufficient overlapping. Remedy this by using systematic passes that overlap by 50% and by varying compactor direction between lifts. Using a different patch material than the original surface often leads to differential settlement and appearance mismatch, so use the same or a compatible mix and roughen the existing surface to improve bonding. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a way to find jobs that match their skills. We host a discussion community where we share practical tips and troubleshooting advice so we can learn from each other and make repairs that last.